Hello, my dear student. It is my seventh lecture of course on control system engineering. In the last lecture, I have discussed block diagram representation of control system. Now, in the present lecture, I am going to introduce signal flow graph. The contents are signal flow graph and Manson gain formula. The block diagram reduction is the excellent method for determining the transfer function of the control system. However, in a complicated system, it is very difficult and time consuming process. That is why an alternate method. A simple method was developed by S.J. Manson, which is known as signal flow graph. This method is very simple and does not require any reduction technique. Signal flow graph is applicable to linear system. A signal flow graph is a diagram which represents a set of simultaneous equation. Signal flow graph consists of nodes and these nodes are connected by a direct line called branches. Every branch of signal flow graph having an arrow which represent the flow of signals. In signal flow graph, the transfer function is referred to as transmittance. Characteristics of signal flow graph. Signal flow graph is a graphical representation of the relationship between the variables of a set of linear algebraic equation. It does not require any reduction technique or process. It represents a network in which nodes are used for the representation of system variable which is connected by direct branches. Signal flow graph is a diagram which represents set of equation. It consists of nodes and branches such that each branches is of signal flow graph having an arrow which represent the flow of the signal. It is only applicable to the linear system. Consider a simple equation and draw the signal flow graph y equal to ax. So where x is input and y is output. So y equal to, it is x into a. This is the gain of the path. The term used in signal flow graph: node, branch, loop, and this one is the forward path, mixed node, transmittance, input node, this is output node, this is path. Here x and y are variables and a, b, these are constant. Every variable a signal flow graph is designed by a node. Every transmission function in a signal flow is designed by a branch. Branches are always unidirectional. The arrows in the branch denotes the direction of the signal flow. Nodes is represent of a system variables. They are input node and output node. Input node is only outgoing branch. This is x1. And output node is only incoming branch. This is S6. Mixed node. A node having incoming and outgoing branches is known as mixed node. Here x2, x3, that means incoming and outgoing both are considered. x4, x5. Branch, it is the link between two nodes, say x1 and x2. This is branch. Transmittance, Transmittance is gain between nodes. Such gain are expressed in terms of transfer function. x1 to x2, this gain is a12. Path. It is traversal from one node to another in the direction of the branch arrows, such that no node transverse more than once. Forward path. It is a path from the input node to the output node. That means x1 to x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. This is a one of the forward path. Another forward path is here x1, x2, x3, x5 to x6. Loop, it is a path that start and end at a same node. Here x2, x3 to x2. Self loop. It is a start at a node and end at the same node. That means this is the self loop. x4 to x4. Path gain. It is the product of the branch gain along the path is called path gain. Here x1 to x2 to x3, x4 to x5 to x6. Then path gain is a12, a23, a34, a45 into 5, 6. Loop gain. It is the product of the path gain in a closed loop. So where is loop is x2 to x3 to x2. So loop gain is a23 into a32. Non-touching loop. It is the loop there is no common node, branch and path. That means these x2, x3 and x2, this loop and x4, this loop, these two are non-touching loop. There is no common node, path and branch. Mentions gain formula. Draw the signal flow graph from the block diagram. The using mention gain formula to determine the overall transfer function of a system. The overall transmittance gain can be determined by mention gain formula. So T equal to summation of k equal to 1 to n, P k del k divided by del, where T is the transfer function. And what is del? Del equal to, we can write 1 minus summation of all individual loop gain. The next term consider plus summation of all possible gain product of two non-touching loop. Then minus summation of all gain product of three non-touching loop. Then plus. So on. Pk is the gain of the kth forward path. And del k means same as del, but forward path loops not touching the kth forward path. So del k equal to 1 minus loop do not touch the forward path. This is the transfer function formula. Numerical solution problem 1. Find the transfer function using mention gain formula for given signal flow diagram. From this figure, first find the forward path. This is input. So input to output. So P1 forward path gain is only G1 into 1. So P1 equal to G1. Another forward path is this point to this. So gain is only G2. So P2 equal to G2. Then find loop. Loop 1, this is x1 to x2 to x1. So G1 into minus h. The loop 1 is minus G1 h. There is no another loop. Then find delta 1 equal to 1 minus loop do not touch the forward path. So this is 0. So del 1 equal to 1. So delta 2 equal to 1. Here loop 1 touch the first forward path and second forward path. That's why del 1 equal to 1 and del 2 equal to 1. Then delta equal to 1 minus sum of all individual loop. Here loop only L1. So this answer is 1 minus G1 into H. So 1 plus G1 into H. So transfer function is summation of k equal to 1 to 2 because there are only two forward path. Pk del k by del. So P1 into del 1 plus P2 into del 2 divided by del. So G1 plus G2 by 1 plus G1 into H. Numerical solution problem 2. Calculate the transfer function using Manson's gain formula for given signal flow graph. Here, first find the forward path. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. This is the first forward path. So gain of this forward path is G1, G2, G3, G4. The next forward path is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then P2 is G1, G2, G8. Then find loops. Here loop 1 is G2, G3 into G5. Then loop 2 is G2, G7. Then loop 3 is G6. This is called self loop. And L4 is G2, G8 into G9. And L5 is G2, G3, G4 into G9. Then find the delta. So formula of delta equal to 1 minus summation of all individual loop. Here loop are L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus L5. Next, plus sum of all possible gain product of two non-touching loop. Here L2 and L3. These two are non-touching loop. There is no common node, branch and path. So L2 into L3 is G2, G7, G6. So plus L2 into L3. Then find delta 1. Here is two forward path. For delta 1 minus loop do not touch the first forward path. But here all loops are touch the first forward path. So this term is 0. Then delta 1 equal to 1. Next is delta 2 equal to 1 minus these L3 loop do not touch the second forward path. So we can write minus L3. Then find the transfer function. So this is del 1 into P1 plus del 2 into P2 divided by del. Then this is the transfer function of the system. 8th lecture is coming soon for more discussion. Please follow the lecture. Thank you.